Fetal heartbeat. Troubleshooting and tips.
Hello, and welcome to our session. Today, we will be talking about a common concern among expecting parents, the difficulty in feeling the fetal heartbeat with your hands. Understanding the nuances of fetal heartbeat monitoring can help put your mind at ease and provide important insights into your baby's health.
Why can I feel the fetal heartbeat?
First and foremost, it's important to understand that feeling a fetal heartbeat with your hands can be extremely difficult, especially for those without medical training. The fetal heartbeat is typically very faint and not easily detected without the use of medical equipment such as a Doppler device or an ultrasound machine. Even for healthcare professionals, finding the exact location of the fetus and identifying the heartbeat requires skill and experience.
What should I do?
If you're struggling to feel your baby's heartbeat, here's what you should do. 1. Don't panic. The absence of a perceptible heartbeat with your hands does not necessarily indicate a problem. It could simply mean that the baby is positioned in such a way that makes it difficult to detect. 2. Try a fetal Doppler. A fetal Doppler is a handheld ultrasound device that can detect a baby's heartbeat as early as 9 to 12 weeks into pregnancy. If you decide to use a home Doppler device, always remember that it is not meant to replace regular prenatal checkups with your healthcare provider. 3. Consult a healthcare provider. If you are still concerned about not being able to feel the heartbeat, make an appointment with a healthcare provider. They can use an ultrasound or a Doppler device to listen to the baby's heartbeat and ensure everything is progressing normally.
Are there other signs to look for?
While the heartbeat is an important indicator of a baby's health, it's not the only one. Feeling your baby move is another positive sign. Usually, you might start to feel your baby's movements, known as quickening, between 18 and 25 weeks of pregnancy. These movements may initially feel like flutters, butterflies, or bubbles. If you're past this stage in your pregnancy and not feeling these movements, it's a good idea to discuss this with your healthcare provider. In conclusion, it's perfectly normal to have difficulty feeling your baby's heartbeat with your hands. However, if you have any concerns about your baby's heartbeat or movements, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider. They have the expertise and the tools necessary to monitor your baby's well-being effectively. Remember, every pregnancy is unique, and it's always best to seek professional advice when you're uncertain. Stay healthy and take care.